In the realm of firearms, power meets precision in explosive showdowns. First up, handguns, wielding compact power with intimidating recoil, perfect for close-quarters combat. Next, rifles, where the AK and AR face off, their legacy defined by performance in critical moments of war. Heavy weapons command respect, delivering overwhelming firepower, both in destructive range and precision accuracy. Silencers, once a myth, now create a stealthy art, blending innovations with the stunning reality of tactical gear. This is more than just test shooting. It's a thrilling homage to iconic weaponry and its profound history in our world.